Meal replacement shakes have become increasingly popular in recent years as a quick and convenient way to get the nutrients your body needs without having to spend time preparing a meal. These shakes come in a variety of flavors and are often marketed as a way to help with weight loss or muscle gain. But like anything, there are pros and cons to using meal replacement shakes. One of the biggest pros of meal replacement shakes is their convenience. They are quick and easy to make, requiring only a few minutes to mix with water or milk. This is especially helpful for people with busy schedules who may not have time to prepare a healthy meal. Meal replacement shakes also come in pre-portioned packets, making it easy to track your calorie intake and ensure you are getting the right amount of nutrients. Another pro of meal replacement shakes is their nutritional value. Many shakes are fortified with vitamins and minerals, making them a good source of essential nutrients. This can be especially helpful for people who struggle to get all the nutrients they need from whole foods. Meal replacement shakes can also be a good option for people who are trying to lose weight, as they can help control portion sizes and calorie intake. On the other hand, there are some cons to using meal replacement shakes. One of the biggest drawbacks is that they are not a long-term solution. While meal replacement shakes can be a convenient option for busy days or when you are on the go, they should not be used as a substitute for whole foods. Eating a variety of whole foods is important for overall health and well-being, and relying too heavily on meal replacement shakes can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Another con of meal replacement shakes is that they can be expensive. While some shakes are relatively affordable, others can be quite pricey, especially if you are using them as a meal replacement on a regular basis. This cost can add up over time, making meal replacement shakes a less sustainable option for some people. There is also some debate about the effectiveness of meal replacement shakes for weight loss. While some studies have shown that meal replacement shakes can help people lose weight, others have found that they are no more effective than traditional dieting methods. Additionally, some people may find it difficult to stick to a meal replacement shake regimen long-term, leading to weight regain once they stop using the shakes. Overall, meal replacement shakes can be a convenient option for busy individuals or those looking to control their calorie intake. They can be a good source of essential nutrients and may help with weight loss in some cases. However, they should not be used as a long-term solution, as they are not a substitute for whole foods. It is important to use meal replacement shakes in moderation and to supplement them with a balanced diet for optimal health and well-being.